Hey everyone, I will be showing you today how to change the multi-port valve on a Hayward Pro Series sand filter. This valve has a worn spider gasket and that's why it will be replaced. With this model, they no longer manufacture the gaskets where you can buy them individually, and they come pre-glued in this valve. So you have to buy the whole valve assembly. And I'll show you the issues that I'm having before I take this out and replace the valve. This model filter is the Hayward Pro Series high rate sand filter, and the model number is S-210T. The valve itself is a Hayward VeriFlow extra large valve. Alright, let's turn it on and I'll show you what issue I'm having. So this is supposed to recirculate through the filter and back into the pool, and with this gasket being worn out, is going straight out the drain pipe. So I'll show you how to fix that. There are 6 screws here. Remove those 6 screws and this valve will come straight off. Now that I have the screws removed, I will remove this valve. It should come out easily. You don't need any prying tools. Just work around the edges and break that seal and it should come right out. I'll try to do this with one hand and hold the camera in the other. Okay, that's what it looks like on the inside, and that is the spider gasket. Here is an image of the label. So this is the key, cover, and handle assembly, and this assembly was $91.99. The salesman had some samples of this Teflon based lubricant sealant, and I will be using that on the gasket. You'll want to spread this lubricant on the entire surface of the gasket. Also, before you install the new valve and handle assembly, there is an O-ring on the old assembly that you must remove and swap out onto the new unit. If not, it will leak around the edges. So this O-ring right here, you need to take off and just swap it out onto the new unit. So don't use any sharp tools to remove this O-ring, or you could tear it, and you don't want to do that. It's easier just to push it back towards the top of the assembly, and then you can remove it out of that groove and it should come right out. Now I'll replace the O-ring onto this new valve, and we can install it on the sand filter. This filter also has a notch on it right here, and so you can only put this valve on one way. So you'll line that notch up, and the valve just slides into this filter. Press that down, and then replace the screws back into this valve. Now that the screws have been replaced, I will turn this on and see if this has fixed the issue. Have no leaks. The pump is running full speed, and it looks like everything is working. This solved the drainage issue on my pump, and hopefully it will solve the issue on yours. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.